Hello friends, let's talk about the topic interest on drawings when the withdrawal is made during the quarter. Now, if a partner is withdrawing the amount of his withdrawal during the quarter, it could be at the beginning or at the end or at the middle of the quarter. So let's talk about firstly at the beginning of the quarter. Now, quarter, you know that in a year we have 4 quarters, each of 3 months, right? First quarter would be from April till June. 1st of April till 30th of June, right? Second quarter would be from 1st of July till 30th of September. Then it would be from October, 1st of October till 31st of December. Then 1st of Jan till 31st of March, right? So we have 4 quarters, each for 3 months, right? So when he is making the withdrawal at the beginning of the quarter meant over here is that he has made the withdrawal on the very first day of the quarter, that is 1st of April, 1st of July, 1st of October, 1st of Jan, the very first day he has made a withdrawal. So how many months he can use his first withdrawal, that is from April till 31st of March, there were 12 months. When he is making a withdrawal on 1st of July, 3 months have gone because first quarter have ended. So the second withdrawal can be used for 9 months. Now third withdrawal can be used for 6 months similarly because 3 more months have lost. Now the next last one would be used only for the 3 months because it is made on 1st of Jan. So Jan, Feb, March, only 3 months are left to make use of last withdrawal. Now you have to take the average of first and last. So 12 plus 3 divided by 2, how much the value you have to consider is 7.5 for the calculation of the withdrawal at the beginning of the quarter, right? Now the second case is when the the withdrawals are made at the end of the quarter. That means when the withdrawals are made at the end of the quarter, the first withdrawal was on, that is ending date of first quarter, that was 30th June or 1st July. You can say 30th June was the first date of withdrawal. How many months were pending to make use of this withdrawal? Because 3 months have gone, so 9 months were left. Now, the second withdrawal was made on 30th of September, so there were 6 months left. Then the next was 31st of December, so 3 months were left. The last withdrawal was on 31st March, so the quarter ended, nothing left, so it is 0. Now take the average of 9 plus 0 divided by 2 is 4.5. If it would have been at the middle of the quarter, always keep in mind for the middle you will take a value of 6. Okay, average would always be, for the middle would be 6. So now let's consider for the case where we have said that X has withdrawn 10,000 every quarter. So how many quarters were there? 4. So 10,000 into 4, amount withdrawn is 40,000, rate was 8%. And now we have to consider it for the months. How to take the months? If it is at the beginning of the quarter, you will take 7.5 upon 12. If it is at the middle of the quarter, you will take 6 by 12. If it is at the end of the quarter, you will consider 4.5. Now keep in mind only one thing there. Over here you have to consider the first draw usage and the last draw usage average. Always you have to take the average of the both to take the valuation for your IOD. In the some cases you are asked to cram 7.5, 6 and 4.5. In either case, if the value is foregone by you, how you can make a calculation, this method is there, that the way you can make a calculation also, that 12 plus 3 for the beginning and at the end would be 9 plus 0 and taking up their average. Thank you. Accountitude, keep scoring, like, share and subscribe to my channel.